Under a law passed by Congress and signed by President Trump, the Justice Department has until tomorrow to release its files on the Jeffrey Epstein case.
Today, House Democrats released more photos from the estate of the convicted sex offender. Here is Justice correspondent Scott MacFarlane.
Included in the newly released photos are images of convicted sex offender Jeffrey Epstein appearing to place something on or write on a young woman or girl. Another image shows a woman's foot with a quote from Lolita, the novel about a man's obsession with an underage girl. An excerpt of a text message shows a discussion about sending girls and a cost per girl from an unknown sender. Bill Gates is seen with a woman whose face is redacted, and the philosopher Noam Chomsky is shown traveling with Epstein. Those photos show no wrongdoing. There's also a picture of Epstein's passport, which has a notation specifying he's a sex offender. The photos were released by Democrats on the House Oversight Committee.
Let's release all the files to the American public. That's the best way to put this all to rest.
Tomorrow is the deadline for the Trump administration to release all of the Epstein case files, potentially tens of thousands of pages and videos, including grand jury materials from prosecutions of Epstein and his co-conspirator, Ghislaine Maxwell. Survivors have sought records for years through multiple administrations, and they question if the Trump administration will find some grounds to hold some back.
They have been fighting for nearly 20 years to let the public know what happened to them, who was involved, and for some measure of justice by the federal government.
The Department of Justice has not answered our questions about exactly when or how they'll release these files, or if they'll hold any back, based on the president's recent order that the feds investigate any connections between Epstein and Democrats.